Hey guys, today we are going to take a look at the Canon EOS M200 mirrorless camera. Enjoy! So here is the packaging. I'm going to unbox it. Let's open it up and let's see what's inside. So first things first, some paperwork. Really thick manual. I'm not going to read this. So this should be the lens. This should be the charger. I will check it out. Pretty standard one. We'll put that aside. So yeah, this is the lens that comes with the kit, 15 to 45 millimeters. Here is the charging cable. Here is the strap for the camera. This is the battery, pretty small one. And here is the camera itself. Let's open it up and see how it looks like. It's really hard to do with one-handed. It looks really good. The build quality feels solid. It's made out of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. This is the display that you can flip. Here goes the battery. Here are the old components that come with the box. One thing that I saw is that if you want to add a USB cable or HDMI or even SD card, you have to flip the display first to get access to the ports. For SD card I have chosen SanDisk's Extreme Pro 64 GB, which should be enough for this camera. So I'm gonna install the SD card and flip the display back. So I tested out the video quality of the camera. I used 1080p 60 frames per second, and here's the video quality without image stabilization. You can see that the camera shakes a bit, but it's not too bad. On the second clip I used image stabilization and you can see there is not so much shaking. You can also see that the camera crops in a little bit. And also there is an enhanced stabilization mode, so the footage is really stable. Also the camera crops in a lot more. Also here's some pictures, for example. For the mirrorless camera, I think the image quality is pretty good. At this price point, it's a really great choice for beginner photography or using it as your video camera. The camera costs about 500 euros, so if you're interested, you should check it out. You can even use it as a webcam for your streams using EOS webcam utility. The setup is really simple, just connect it with your USB and it shows up as a webcam. Alright guys, I think that's it for the video. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe for more. See you in the next video.